What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Market up or down, the market was up. Not by a whole lot. And for a little big picture before we get into it, we're going sideways, okay? So just remember that. Not up or down, whatever. You can go in with the microscope, but big picture, we're just going sideways, no big deal. So market up, we're not buying anything, but we need to check the brokerage out. And we did get some buys put in from Friday. We cannot put our sell order here for WKC because we got the buy order in today and we have no day trades. So the sell order will get put in tomorrow. GPC did not fill, so we can cancel this order. And let's update our spreadsheet. Nice and easy, right? I'm a pretty nice dude till people come with the excuses, because it's not that hard, yeah. CNXC 44.52, just making sure the spreadsheet's correct. It is. ELV 425.27 check, and finally WKC 26.38. We got 2 penny cheaper fill here, and that's why I do the double check. Cool. That's it for the public account. So if you're new to the stock market, click off the video, save yourself some frustration and confusion. Do leave a like on your way out and make sure you're subscribed if you're new. For the bag holders, ready, set, go. We're going to go in here and just see if we can get spreadsheet up to date, starting with Humana. Get my spreadsheet up over here. I believe this was a swing trade. It was. Okay, it's not on here, so we need to make sure it filled this morning. I already had the order in. I have not had a chance to look at the markets today besides on my lunch break, and the market was up, nothing to do, so I moved along my day. I did miss out on options. I forgot all about it. New gig, everything's new. It's a little crazy. It'll take me a while to get settled in, but I'll get sharper on the stock market as well and better use my time moving forward. But that's how we learn. And I'm not too crazy bad upset about it. Next one, GPC. And we got the sell. This was 3 lots. And that thing really tanked at the end of the day. But it doesn't matter because I'm outie. I'm outie. Not enough, I don't think, for the charity. But some activity on an up day. Always feels good to get some selling done on an up day. And it didn't take us long to move this at all. So this is definitely alpha against the market. And that's why we do this in the first place. Yeah, nice solid profits. Not enough to get us into the charity. Let's do a quick scroll through the equities in the portfolio. See if there's anything that looks like we may want to try to sell. And then we'll speed right along. There's a few. Let's just spot check them real quick. We got the Cracker Company. If I remember right, it had some issues after the first initial purchase. Still a ways to go. We've got a weird thing going on. We're still far away from the yellow line. No reason to cut it just yet. Next, we have FedEx in profits as well. If it's not in profits, I'm not looking to sell, by the way. Hence the bag holding thing. Nothing here. It's still got room to run. FedEx, part of the transports, leads the markets. And we have Fun, which is up here, almost to the yellow line. Where are we at? At a 61 on the RSI. I'm a chicken. I think I'm going to take it. That was a good run up. Nice and fast. 42.11. I don't know if it's going to fill or not. It doesn't really matter. It's placed. So orders in for this one. It's up 4.5%. And if I can do that in a week, yeah, I'm in. So I don't have time to look at it like I used to. So I'm just going to see at the end of the day, just like y'all do. And we'll figure it out from there. One thing I must figure out. Oh, we're up in Bitcoin too. So there's a decision maker there as well. I think I'm going to liquidate all of my Bitcoin purchases. I trade Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. So it's over the 70, and it is. $69,810. I don't like the way they do. I mean, they're making money on it, right? It's not a sin to make money, but 69,810, you can see how that looks. And that runs 24 hours, so that could easily just go. I already do the leveraged Bitcoin, so I take profits there and just simplify my taxes a bit and not play it directly. Also, I was not able to play any options so far this week. And was this from this morning? No. I had alerts, nothing hit, so I did nothing. It looks like that was the right play, so I really didn't miss out. I do have alerts here. I'm looking to see what we can get into, but so far nothing, so that's actually good news. All right, last things last, close up the video with swing trade entries. We have some money, I believe. We got that money. 6 bullets. That's what we got. So let's get after it. Put it on the daily. You want to? And then this will be a nice quick video, and then I get to go to bed and try it all over again tomorrow. You can be stubborn and hold through this. I just know the way it typically goes, and the momentum is to the upside. So, but I just talked you through my reasoning. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You must make your own decisions because you're grown up, and that's what grown ups do. So it's not my fault if you lose money. But this is what works for me, continues to work for me, and it has changed my life already and will continue to change my life exponentially into the future. So if I can share a little bit of my experience and my story here, I'm going to do that. So hopefully y'all find it helpful. But this is the step-by-step what I do while I'm thinking through my money. So do whatever you want with your money, but that's what I'm doing with mine right here. Before your very eyes. Believe it or not, this is the only time I'm looking at stocks. I've got an efficient way that I handle stocks throughout the day. I'm only looking once a day now, intraday, and then I look now after hours with y'all. And after looking at it full time and almost full time while I have my other job, I noticed that I'm going to make roughly the same money. So now I'm making all the same money I was making in the stock market, but hopefully going to start cashing some big paychecks because we're putting a lot of work in. This one is depressing. These are my true bag hold positions here, but that's part of it. They can't all be perfect winners right off the rip. All right, anything that's not flagged, I'm looking for a 30 RSI. So I can put a little flag on it. Anything that is flagged, looking for swing trade entries. And I'm going to go through this as quickly as I can. And I have exactly 1 hour to hit the sheets. So got to keep it moving. So if you appreciate the videos and you enjoy them, do me a favor, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed and share this video with your friends, especially your broke ones. We can't make them drink, but we can lead all of our friends to the water. Market's been going sideways. Have you guys been pulling money out of the market? Let me know down below. You see in the daily videos, I'm very regularly pulling money out. Also, even though I didn't talk about dividends today in the trading account, the investing account did have dividends today. So that's where the dividend focus really is. And dividends come in almost every day. And remember, that's helping build alpha while the market goes sideways and or down. And that's how we're going to do it. Did I get in this thing yet? 4 pennies away. That one's close. Foot Locker is a very volatile stock. But if it doesn't drop out on you, you can make a lot of money pretty quick. And they've got a unique business model. I'm not a huge fan of it, but that's another one that is not really in my universe. So I'm not a investor long term in it, but it does come in regularly on the screener. They do have a good business model. The moat, I don't know, but people go there and buy stuff, and they buy stuff online too. So don't underestimate the online piece of the business either. 3M, what a run! That thing 2 years ago, that thing was cheap as heck, and I have a bunch of it in the investing account, and I'm laughing all the way to the bank, yo. But it's not for sale. But I do lever against it, only slightly, just a little bit. But that allows me to turn stocks that have run up into monthly cash flow. Like a Hawaii going back to previous highs. You can see a lot of stocks are running up. And we do still have cash. Remember that. We're all-time highs. Got a little bit of cash. Not a lot of cash, but a little bit. And in my opinion, that's kind of where I want to be, because if the market goes down, I'm able to capture some value. But if the market continues to rise, as it does tend to do, climb the wall of worry and all that stuff, I'm mainly fully invested. So I'm gonna enjoy that ride as well. If I can snipe little 4 or 5% gainers on the swings as well, and cash in premiums, it's over. It's over. I'm getting excited. It's getting close to the end of the month. Can't wait to do the statements. Things continue to improve as they should. Compounding truly is awesome, and it moves much faster than I ever would have anticipated in the future or in the beginning. So that's part of the motivation for me to share it with y'all. Hope y'all appreciate it. Thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate that. And that's all we got. Nice, easy day. Let's take a look for all the chickens out there. 14 minutes. Come on, man. Y'all got time for this. If I got time, y'all got time. So get in there and get it done. Stay consistent. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.